Tinkercad is free, beginner's-level, browser-based software from AutoCAD that you can use to create 3D designs and objects for digital use or to print in a 3D printer. To get started, navigate to tinkercad.com and create an account. Select New Design. You can drag in shapes, resize and position them, and group them together to make compound shapes. Use solid grouping to add to the shape, and hole to remove material from the shape. Tinkercad automatically names and saves your project for you. When you're done, you can export as an OBJ or STL file. Both are common 3D object file types for use in other programs or to take to a 3D printer. Tinkercad also has two other software interfaces. One for designing circuits. You can design and test small electronic circuits without soldering or risking breaking any components. The other is called Codeblocks. Codeblocks is a graphical programming language using block-based coding instead of lines of code to allow you to create 3D designs algorithmically. You can use computation to create, modify, and duplicate shapes and patterns. You might want to use Codeblocks when your design calls for lots of mathematically precise relationships, such as in this symmetrical snowflake, or in this repetitive honeycomb pattern. In Codeblocks, you can run your code step by step, or run it all with a play button to watch your algorithm come to life. You can even export this as a GIF and impress your friends. To get started with Codeblocks, go to Create New Code Block. Then drag shape blocks over to the canvas. In addition to shape blocks, other categories include Modify, Control, Math, and Data. This part takes some learning and some getting used to, and makes use of computational concepts like variables and loops. Press the play button to see your code appear. Because Tinkercad is meant for beginners and for use in education, there are lots of ready-made lessons and examples to start with. Codeblocks is new, so new lessons are coming soon. For specific projects, check out Tinkercad lesson plans.